everyone uses maths. There is no software in this world without mathematics. And from our childhood, we are learning one thing in mathematics, which is a multiplication table. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. And in this session, we will write a program to print multiplication table. First, we will ask our user to enter the number so that we can print the multiplication table of the same. Accept the input from the user in the variable n and convert that into int. Now write a for loop with I as counter and range as 1 to 11 so that our loop will start from 1 and will go till 10. Inside the intent of for loop, write value equal to I into n. Then print the value using formatted output like this. Now run the code. Well, here is our output. You can even use while loop to print the multiplication table. Here is the code. Everything is same except the initialization and the increment. I hope now you can quickly write the multiplication table. For more such practice session, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next practice session on next Saturday. Thank you very much.